In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compare previous period profit and loss reports in Xero. If you're looking to analyze your financial performance over different periods, this feature in Xero can be incredibly useful. Let's walk through the process together so you can get more insights into your business financials effortlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to your profit and loss report within Xero. Once you're logged into your account, head over to the reporting section. You should see an option for detailed financial reports, and among those, the profit and loss report will be available. Open that up, and you'll be presented with the figures reflecting your business's finances over a particular period. Now, what we're going to do is compare these numbers with another period to see how your business has evolved. At the top section of this report, you'll notice a drop-down menu labeled Compare With. This feature is designed to let you juxtapose the current period's data with a past period easily. Click on that drop-down menu to reveal several options. Here, you can choose the exact period you want to compare with the current display period. Whether you're aiming to analyze month-on-month growth, quarter comparisons, or even year-on-year performance, Xero gives you the flexibility to select these periods according to what makes the most sense for your business analysis. Once you have selected your desired comparison period, click on the Update button. This simple action will refresh the report, pulling in the data from both periods and displaying them side by side. It's a fantastic way to visualize and understand fluctuations or trends within your business. And just like that, you've successfully compared the profit and loss reports. But there's one more tip to make this process even more efficient in the future. You have the option to save these settings as a custom report. Saving it as a custom report means you won't need to manually set up the comparison parameters every time you need an update. Instead, with a click, you can generate this tailored report, saving your valuable time and reducing repetitive work. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you can stay on top of your financial health by regularly comparing profit and loss reports over different periods. It's a straightforward, yet powerful way to ensure your business is moving in the right direction and make informed strategic decisions. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.